Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to extract action items from meeting transcript using free AI tools. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, record or import your meeting in Otter.ai or Fireflies and let it generate a transcript automatically. When it's ready, copy the transcript text into a new ChatGPT chat. Then prompt list all action items from this meeting as bullet point, including the responsible person and due date. In seconds, you will receive a tidy task list like John, draft slide deck by Friday. You can tweak further by asking, group these by owner, add priority levels, or include a brief context sentence for each item. And ChatGPT will reorganize it instantly. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.